These are the elevators here at the Residence Inn by Marriott in downtown Cleveland. Here we are on 7. 350 feet per minute. Let's see what the interlock says. It says 2018, but obviously these are way older than that. Really wanting to close. B. Stop on 3. Going down?
Yep.
What floor?
1.
All right. You have a good day. All right. Oh, you going up? All right, you have a good day. All right. I'm going to send that one down. And we'll get a look around and try to get the other one. It's a very nice looking hotel. Here's a look at the hallway. This is a historic building that was converted into a residence inn, so it's not gonna look like a typical location for one. But here's a view out. There's some of Cleveland. There's the Holiday Inn in that building right there. And if you go over here, you can get more of a view. I'm not sure. I think this hotel might have 2 towers, but I could be wrong. There's the 9 in the distance there. You can kind of see the City Club building a little bit. These are massive hallways. I was not quite expecting them to be this big, but again, this place is a converted historic office building. Those are the 2 main elevators. And that's just gonna face right into another building, so I'm not gonna bother walking all the way down there. Yeah, I don't think this place has any service elevators from what I can tell. All right, well, let's head back down. It says elevator A, so there has to be another bank here somewhere. And we got this one. And I'm gonna get off on 1. Four. 1.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.
No problem.
How are you today?
Very good.
Thank you. You ain't bring no jacket with you?
No, it's still warm outside too. You might be
Is
chilling
it
the
gonna
whole
be
time.
8:30?
Oh, yeah. No, it's down the street, to the left. Look, you're just, yep, where we got, yep.
Well, there it goes. That'll be it.